Ever found yourself in the heat of battle summoning your favorite characters in Dragon Ball Legends, only to be stopped by the error code 18099? Quite an unpleasant surprise, isn't it? As per our research, Dragon Ball Legends error code is not a new error, and it has troubled the users in the past too. As per our research, this error mainly comes because of a bug within the game. Based on our research, the error mainly comes while summoning characters. Some users in their complaints also have shared that after a few attempts they were able to summon, but each time the rate was 2x. So, how can one tackle this pesky error? Well, as it turns out, the error is primarily due to a bug in the game or perhaps some server issues. Unfortunately, this means there's a limited scope of action from our end. One potential solution is to check for any pending updates for the game. If there are any, install them right away. To do this, simply open your App Store, search for Dragon Ball Legends, and if there are any updates waiting, you'll see the option to update next to the game. However, if the error persists, it's likely an issue on the game's end, possibly due to a bug or temporary server issue. In this case, the best course of action is to patiently wait and try again later. In the meantime, you can report the issue to the developers. If you wish to report the issue, you can visit their official website and look for the support option in the footer section. In summary, the Dragon Ball Legends error code 18099 is a common issue that arises primarily due to a bug within the game. While there's limited action we can take, checking for updates and reporting the issue to the developers are viable steps. So the next time this error pops up, you'll know exactly what to do. Don't let it stop you from enjoying the thrill of summoning your favorite characters in Dragon Ball Legends. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, it will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.